So I think we are live, just waiting for a few individuals, few users to join, and then we will start. People are joining. People are coming. It will be fun. It will be fun. We were waiting for this live, aren't we? एक ऐसे लाइव जिसमें हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे स्पोर्ट्स प्रेजेंटर से जिसने बिल्कुल रूल करके रख दिया है, बिल्कुल एक डायनामिक्स जो है वो क्रिकेट का बदल के रख दिया है। जतिन सप्रू से हम जुड़ने वाले हैं थोड़ी सी देर के अंदर। काफी मजा आने वाला है। गुड आफ्टरनून। हेलो रंजीत, हेलो प्रकाश, हाय टीम मनीष शुक्ला, हेलो। काफी मजा आने वाला है। संदीप कुमार, हेलो। काफी सारे जने जुड़ रहे हैं, काफी जान पहचान के जने भी जुड़ रहे हैं। काफी मजा आने वाला है। यूनाइटेड, इट विल बी फन। अ लॉट ऑफ यूजर्स आर ज्वाइनिंग। काफी जान पहचान की जगह आने वाले हैं। बिगेस्ट फैंटेसी प्लेटफॉर्म माई टीम 11, इट्स अ माई टीम 11 फैंटेसी गेमिंग एप्लीकेशन। और इंस्टाग्राम लाइव हम करने वाले हैं जतिन सप्रू के साथ के अंदर। एवरीबॉडी नो हु इज जतिन सप्रू, पर आपको एक बात शायद जतिन सप्रू के बारे में नहीं पता होगी, वो मैं आपको बताता हूं। जतिन सप्रू वॉज नेवर इंक्लाइन टुवर्ड्स क्रिकेट। एकदम से उनके फादर ने कहा, हाउ अबाउट यू वॉच क्रिकेट, हाउ अबाउट आप मेरे साथ बैठो और हम साथ में एंजॉय करते हैं। एंड नाउ ही इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रेजेंटर्स ऑफ ऑल टाइम, एटलीस्ट इंडियन सॉइल की अगर बात करी जाए। काफी बड़े एक प्रेजेंटर, और कुछ ही देर के अंदर वो हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं। काफी मजा आने वाला है उनसे बात करके। एक बड़ी राइवलरी आज देखने को मिलेगी। चेन्नई खेलेगा मुंबई से। एल क्लासिको कहा जाता है इंडियन T20 लीग का। काफी मजा आने वाला है आज के गेम के अंदर। वैसे तो 8th पोजीशन पे है चेन्नई, पर ऑल इन ऑल मुझे लगता है एक अच्छा गेम आज हो सकता है। काफी सारे जने ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। जतिन सप्रू भी आ चुके हैं। शायद काफी मजा आने वाला है इनसे बात करके। इनकी एनर्जी एक ऐसी चीज है जिसको देखने में सबसे ज्यादा मजा आता है। एंड आई थिंक ही विल बी सेंडिंग द रिक्वेस्ट राइट अवे एंड देन वी विल स्टार्ट इट ऑफ। हाय तुषार। यस रंजीत, आज हम चेन्नई और मुंबई की भी फैंटेसी टीम बनाएंगे। जतिन सप्रू आपको वो भी बताएंगे, थोड़े इंसाइट्स लेकर आएंगे कि क्या होनी चाहिए। काफी मजा आने वाला है। ही विल बी ज्वाइनिंग, ही विल बी सेंडिंग द रिक्वेस्ट इन जस्ट फ्यू मोमेंट्स टाइम। फॉर नाउ Jatin, if you can probably send me a request. मेरा नाम, my name is Vedant, and I will be having a word with, of course, Jatin Sapru. Sent a request. Just connect. Here he is. Hi, Jatin.
What's up, Vedant? How are you?
All well. You tell me, how is everything?
Mess. You want to see? That's a mess. That's life inside the bubble.
That's yeah. Jatin, क्रिकेट की बात बाद में करेंगे। आप मेरे को पहले ये बताओ, इतनी एनर्जी कहाँ से लेकर आते हो? मतलब हमेशा जो भी लाइफ एक अलग तरीके की एनर्जी लेकर आते हो, कुछ है तो हमें भी बता दो।
पता नहीं यार, बचपन में ज्यादा पिया नहीं मैंने कोई बूस्ट, लेकिन I think I was just born with it, man. Camera, but sometimes you walk into the studio, you're like a little tired and all of that, but it's a game, man. And knowing that so many people are watching ना, तो अंदर से ऊर्जा निकलती है बाहर आने के लिए। अभी वो सेम एनर्जी नहीं थी जब मैं कपड़े प्रेस कर रहा था। It wasn't the same.
Superb, yaar. Jatin, let me tell you one thing. I'm not just saying because you are on live today. I have just enjoyed how you cover this sport, beautiful sport called cricket. The energy that you bring. प्री पोस्ट शो में बिल्कुल मजा आ जाता है। मतलब एक अलग सी फीलिंग आने लग गई है whenever we see you, and you have been just
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Let me show the Janta how I actually go to work. Huh? This is sometimes I put it out. I think this is how my camera will flip. This is how I go to work.
That's Jatin.
That's me. और उसके बाद फिर ये डालेंगे कपड़े।
Jatin, मैंने भी डाल लिया एक आपके जैसा सिमिलर, एक ग्रे कलर का, थोड़ा सा
very similar what I'm wearing today.
जतिन अपन बात करेंगे क्रिकेट की। आज एक बहुत बड़ा मैच, उसके बारे में भी बात करेंगे। 40 मैचेस हो चुके हैं इंडियन T20 लीग में, उसके बारे में भी बात करेंगे। काफी सारी चीजें डिस्कस करनी है आपसे। पर एक पहला सवाल जतिन, जाएंगे क्रिकेट के ऊपर, पर आपसे जब भी जाने देखते हैं, अभी काफी सारे यूजर्स जुड़ रहे हैं और हमेशा जब भी वो आपको देखते हैं तो सबसे पहली चीज उनके दिमाग में आती है, आई वॉन्ट जतिन सप्रूज लाइफ। पर जो उसके सैक्रिफाइसेस हैं, मैं आपको सबको बताना चाहता हूं गाइस, आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग जतिन सप्रू फॉर सम टाइम नाउ। इनने एक स्टोरी डाली थी 11th या 12th सितंबर को, करेक्ट मी जतिन इफ आई एम रॉन्ग। वहां पे इनने एक टूर दिया था इनके होटल रूम का, और उनने बोला था ये मेरी एक छोटी सी कुटिया है और मैं यहाँ पे रहूंगा अगले 3 महीने। ही इज करंटली इन मुंबई गाइस, एंड हिज फैमिली ऑल्सो लिव्स इन मुंबई। Yesterday was his daughter's birthday, but unfortunately because of bio bubble he couldn't go. So Jatin, so many sacrifices you have made, people don't see that, that's in background. So can you just throw some light on that, how difficult it is to be in that bio bubble and cover this beautiful sport?
Yeah, I think there's a bigger picture to the story, right? I look at things in a very positive way. My positive way is कि अगर I mean, fingers crossed, कोई reason है नहीं कि pandemic होना चाहिए था because of the number of people who suffered. But it's good sometimes to find positivity हर चीज में. तो जितना टाइम मेरे को पूरे लॉकडाउन में अपनी बेटी के साथ, अपनी फैमिली के साथ बिताने को मिला, that was a positive, right? अगर ये नहीं होता, so I wouldn't have spent that much time. So you win some, you lose some. अब आदत हो गई यार हमें. You know, all big moments we are usually never at home. Whether it's her birthday, my parents' anniversary, my wife's birthday, my own birthday, that's usually during the original IPL. And I sort of like working on some of these big days. You know, I think it's a very auspicious thing when you love doing something. If you do it on a special day, it's even better. But the number of people, यार हमारी कोशिश यही थी इस IPL के साथ लोग शाम को कम से कम बाहर ना निकलें, थोड़ा घर पे रहें, थोड़ा लाइफ में पर्पस मिले सुबह उठ के कि आज इसका मैच है, इसकी बात करते हैं, रात को बाहर नहीं जाएंगे. So when you weigh the two things, I mean, birthdays आते रहते हैं हर साल. But I think in the larger context of things, it's something that I'm blessed that I have this opportunity, and I try my best to make it count every single day. So I try and just sacrifices दुनिया में लोग बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े-बड़े करते हैं यार, ये बहुत छोटी चीज़ें हैं. So that's how I just tell myself there is no point in I just don't like making myself the story. I love being a storyteller, and that is what I want to continue to be.
And you are doing that great, let me tell you that. जाते ना मूव करते हैं और थोड़ी सी क्रिकेट की बात करते हैं। 40 मैचेस इंडियन T20 लीग में हो चुके हैं, क्या क्या हमने नहीं देखा है। 2 consecutive centuries, we have seen 3 super overs in a day, 2 super over in a game, and then lowest bowling figures in the power play. So many things have we watched. And आपका जो फेवरेट मोमेंट है वो अभी तक क्या रहा है? क्योंकि मुझे ये भी पता है गाइस, मैं आप लोगों को बताया था, इनने सिर्फ 1.5 दिन की छुट्टी ली है, 40 गेम अभी तक सिर्फ 1.5 दिन है। तो थोड़ा सा बताओ यार, कौन सा गेम आपको सबसे ज्यादा मजा आया अभी तक कवर करने में?
Purely as a fan, I was sitting here only, me and Ashish Nehra, and we were screaming in the room when the 2 super overs happened. But KKR or won a super over just to see good quality fast bowling. Yeah, we see some great batting, whether it's Shiki, his hundreds, or ABD and all of that. But what stood out for me in this tournament is the quality that the fast bowlers have brought. Rabada, Bumrah, Navdeep Saini, Shami ka wo super over. You know, a lot of Indian fast bowlers. That's the story. Rabada से तो हम expect करते हैं, Archer से expect करते हैं, Bumrah से भी expect करते हैं, but Shami, the way he nailed those Yorkers, Navdeep Saini raising the bar, Kartik Tyagi coming into the fray, Shivam Mavi, Nagar Koti, Prasidh Krishna, to see good Indian fast bowlers try their best out. I think that's been the story, and too many wow moments. मैं परसों दादा के साथ एक इंटरव्यू कर रहा था ना यार, दादा like, you want to pick a moment? He's like, कैसे pick करूं? There have been so many moments, and that is what makes this league the best in the world. The quality of cricket is just phenomenal, and I think we've had some incredible matches so far. Yeah. And मजा इस बात का भी आ रहा है, the equation and the dynamics are different. You know, the grounds are different. Teams are not playing where they usually play. So all of that is making it very interesting.
Absolutely, I totally agree to it, and I think the best sign of this year's Indian T20 is
just give me one second.
Jatin will be right away. I think emergency आ गई and he has gone. जब तक सारे जने जो आ रहे हैं, मानस, hello guys. He's coming. Just 2 minutes. He's coming back. Gagandeep, hello. जो भी कर रहे हैं हम लोग we are discussing Indian T20 League. काफी मजा आने वाला है. Sir, who will win today? हम थोड़ी सी देर में बताएंगे. अभी चालू ही करा है लाइव. हम बताएंगे. इनसे ही पूछेंगे कौन जीतेगा, किसका win percentage ज्यादा है. वैसे I think Jatin, if we actually look at the bigger picture, I think it's more about how teams have been able to see those youngsters in the side. If you somebody like Priyam Gar coming forward, Karthik Tyagi, then you also have Akash Singh, then Prasidh Krishna, Kamlesh Nagarkoti. Everyone seems to be performing, and I think that's a very good sign for Indian cricket.
I mean, when you look at teams that are doing very well, they don't rely on 2 or 3 or 4 superstars. The teams that do very well are the ones who have their Indian outfit performing. You look at Mumbai Indians, and I'm not even naming Bumrah, Hardik or Rohit. You look at the others, Ishan Kishan, Surya Kumar Yadav, Rahul Chahar, Krunal Pandya. These are the guys. You look at Delhi Capitals, Shikhar ke saath Prithvi some starts, Shreyas Iyer, but uske alawa Marcus Stoinis is joined in. But even with the ball, Akshar Patel, you know, he sort of becomes the story. Tushar Deshpande, 1 or 2 good games. So good Indian nucleuses are the most important for teams that go on to do very well. RCB again, AB de Villiers is always a constant. Morris is there, but Navdeep Saini, Mohammad Siraj, Yuzvendra Chahal again is too senior a player now. Devdutt Padikkal. So you look at teams, you look at seasons overall, your big foreigners need to chip in, but teams with great Indian nucleuses, they end up doing well. And ye ek farak raha hai, and this continues to be a good story. This is the tournament we get our bench strength from, man, and that's something that I'm guessing a lot of countries are envious of because the talent pool is just phenomenal.
Absolutely, I totally agree. Right? Jatin, how about we do a small team analysis or team analysis
Okay.
चालू करें. Nice बात करते हैं. चेन्नई अभी currently 8th position पे है. शायद something which we were not expecting. Do you think it is more because the absence of Suresh Raina, Harbhajan Singh, and now Dwayne Bravo, or something else seems to be going wrong for them?
एक तो 2020 है, कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करना नहीं चाहिए, जो एक्सपेक्ट करो उल्टा ही होता है. But I still firmly believe they will not finish 8. They have 4 matches. But you know, Chennai played with the formula. 2018, 2019, what they achieved was miraculous, phenomenal. MS Dhoni and his team, not many other teams could have done it. Chennai have always played, I think, the tournament की इस सीजन को देखते हैं, पहले ये सीजन जीतते हैं, फिर अगले साल का सोचेंगे. तो इस प्रोसेस में what happened is, obviously the players kept aging, right? Chennai has never really invested big in youngsters after Ashwin, Jadeja, and all these guys at the start. So at some point, this was going to come and affect their plans a bit. If they were playing at Chepauk, things would have been different because unke spinners know that wicket, there is turn, and that's how Chennai play, right? Every team has a formula how they win. Chennai has that formula. Their spinners do well. Last year, I think they picked up more than 60 wickets. This year, the 3 spinners have 14 wickets with them. So, एक वो problem हुई that आपने टीम बनाई चेपॉक के लिए, अपनी conditions के लिए, और आप different conditions में चले गए. Secondly, it was going to Suresh Raina is a big factor. You know, he binds the team together. So him not being there, but Faf du Plessis sort of raised the bar. But इस बार lockdown के चलते, players who anyways don't play active international cricket, there were going to be injury concerns, which has come to haunt them. And just maybe not having played enough cricket, पूरी equation ऊपर नीचे हो गई. So that is what has been the problem. But I think at some point this is going to happen. It's too bad it's happened in this season. I still think if they were playing at Chepauk, if Suresh Raina was there, things would have still been maybe a lot better. But you know, when you've played so well for 10 years that you've participated, you're going to have a season like that. And
Absolutely.
that is just what it is.
Expectations are so much that we expect them every year to qualify. But how about जाते थोड़ी सी बात करते हैं जहां से आप ओरिजिनली आते हैं, दिल्ली से. दिल्ली का मेरे को लगता नहीं इतना ज्यादा पड़ा है उनको, क्योंकि 3 प्लेयर बाहर हुए. ईशांत शर्मा बहुत बड़े प्लेयर, अमित मिश्रा एक इतने बड़े प्लेयर, पर उसके बाद भी आपने देखा इंजरीज भी आई. ऋषभ पंत थोड़े गेम्स के लिए बाहर हुए, शिमरॉन हिटमायर को बाहर बैठना पड़ा. पर ऑल इन ऑल जो एक सेटअप है वो कभी टूटा नहीं और एक कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंसेस आई और अभी टॉप ऑफ द टेबल पे.
This is where you have to win half the battle during the auction, जिसकी हम बात करते हैं. How prepared are you for all these things? So when you have Rabada, I think Nokia turned out to be a great replacement for them, because though you have to look at teams जिनके पास एक नहीं 2-3 strike bowlers हों जो अलग-अलग phase में आपको wickets दे दें. So Rabada is one. Like Rajasthan Royals are completely dependent on Archer for wickets, but Archer can only bowl 4 overs. Delhi Capitals, they've got Rabada with 4 overs, but Anrik Nokia can bowl at any time in the game. Change it. Amit Mishra was too good a player, but Akshar Patel, I think, is doing phenomenally well. So
Right.
that has worked very well in the favor. And Sandeep Lamichhane abhi bhi baithe hain bench pe. And then batting again, not dependent on one player. There is Shikhar. I still hope Prithvi gets a few more runs. He started off the tournament very well. Shreyas Iyer. So team effort. 7 different man of the match awards in their wins. That's a great story. And it's the age-old saying, you know, individuals win you games, but it's a team that wins you the tournament. And that is completely true for all the teams who are at the top. Mumbai, Delhi, and RCB.
Absolutely, I totally agree to it, and I'm glad that you said that individual wins you game and players when you the team wins you tournament. How about we talk about somebody like Virat Kohli and his men? पूरा different season रहा है Jatin. 13th edition, everybody seems to be performing, whether it's Devdutt Padikkal, Aaron Finch, Isru Udana, Chris Morris. What a replacement
but
he has
you know,
been.
that's the whole thing. Everyone is talking about it. It's phenomenal, but it was pretty much the same team. Things that have changed. The opening combination, Devdutt Padikkal has been brilliant for them. Aaron Finch has not really got runs. You know, if RCB were not doing well, we'd be talking about Aaron Finch. He hasn't really scored. He scored 150. He's playing slowly. What has changed for RCB, even in the bowling? It's the same bowling outfit that played last year. Chris Morris is the only addition. Isru Udana, they've had to play. But it's also where they're playing. It was always a very good team. Ab imagine they had Marcus Stoinis and Shimron Hetmeyer with them till last season. So
True.
it was a strong team again, but RCB have adapted to conditions so well. Virat and AB are always going to win you matches on their own, but the team's doing very well. But it's also a very similar team from last year. They found a very good opening combination. Devdutt at least has been scoring runs. That's given platform. I still personally would love to see Virat Kohli open because he's just such a busy player. But he's adapted. He's the greatest anyway. But it's the bowling that has bigger ground. So people should also keep it in mind कि bowling तब भी अच्छी थी. But Chinnaswamy में problem हो सकती है, कोई भी पिट सकता है वहाँ पे. You know, it comes down to very, very small margins. But now they have big grounds. Chris Morris has made an impact straight away, which is great. But team was always good. They've also got a bigger ground to play in, and they've played very well. So good. Let's see. We'll hopefully get a new champion. Who knows?
Not really, Raja. Even if you keep aside their performances in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, they were really good. If you remember the performance of Kolkata against Kolkata, they were really good.
Yeah, but that's also like Kolkata have too many issues to sort out. It's a very good team on paper, but they have issues to sort out. But yeah, that's what confidence does. When you get off to a good start, there is confidence in the team. RCB are a phenomenal team, and I think, who knows, number 13 might just be lucky for RCB.
Absolutely. Jatin, Mumbai 2020 चैंपियंस 2020 पहला गेम हारे. एक बार लगा शायद कि यूएई की जो लास्ट मेमोरीज हैं वो शायद फ्रेशन अप हो गई, पर उसके बाद जो एक कमबैक करा टूर्नामेंट के अंदर और तब से आए, जब से डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं, सब परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. जैसे आपने दिल्ली के लिए कहा 7 मैन ऑफ द मैच अवार्ड्स, सिमिलर केस है अगर मुंबई की बात करी जाए. एवरी टाइम समबडी एल्स स्टेप इन. कैसी परफॉर्मेंसेस लग रही हैं एंड डू यू थिंक दे विल बी मेकिंग इट टू द प्लेऑफ्स?
That's almost a given. जो Mumbai Indians की ये team है, they don't depend on one person, and I think Mumbai are reaping rewards of investing in youth and putting them out at the right time. Surya Kumar Yadav was in KKR as well, but they've given him a role that suits his batting so much more. Ishan Kishan looks prepared. He'll play cameos. Kyron Pollard is a legend, and I think now he's become the West Indies captain. You just feel a little that he was always a senior guy. You know, he's been part of that think tank, but you see that little extra spark in Kyron Pollard. Hardik hasn't had to bowl, which is good for his bat too. He can give it more time to recover, but with the bat, they just have all boxes ticked, and they're all performing well. वो होता है ना, one आदत लगी है, winning habit है और winning formula पता है. So even when they lose, they know, okay, ये चीज यहाँ इधर उधर करनी है, and we'll be back at it. So that's the sign of a champion team, and I'm not surprised where they are. Won't be surprised if they finish in the top 2 as well.
जतिन, आप बात करते हैं मैच नंबर 41, एल क्लासिको कहा जाता है इंडियन लीग का. बहुत बड़ा मैच, इवन दो जो पॉइंट्स टेबल है वो सजेस्ट नहीं करती मुंबई और चेन्नई. आज की माई टीम 11 फैंटेसी टीम आपकी क्या रहने वाली है?
Okay, let's start with the openers. I think Rohit would enjoy, although सामने दीपक चहर है, that's one threat. If he once he crosses that, I think Rohit's in for a biggie. So I will go in with Rohit. साथ में opener, I'm very tempted to go with Watson, who I think should open today, लेकिन सामने Krunal Pandya होगा. So I think that's an interesting contest to watch out for. So with Rohit, I will still, because I don't know who'll probably open for Chennai. So what I'll do is I'll go in with Faf du Plessis.
All right.
So I'll go with Faf du Plessis, Rohit and Faf. Good options. Faf is fantastic. He knows how to play spin. Smaller ground, I will go with Faf. 3 pe, I will go in with Surya.
Okay. Okay.
4 pe, I will go in with Ambati, Raidu.
Oh, okay. So it's Rohit, Surya Kumar Yadav, and Raidu.
Raidu. You'll have to tell me if I'm fitting into the budget. वो बाद में 1 या 2 पेयर का ऊपर नीचे कर लेंगे. But that is what my ideal thing is, for slots.
The best thing,
5.
My team 11 के points इस तरीके से हैं. Even if you pick a lot of big players, कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि आप 100 के अंदर आ जाते हो. That's, I think it should not be an issue.
Yeah. So I'm going to go with. I want to see that one big knock coming in from MS, and if MS is playing, he's always in my team. So I will still take that strategic punt. MS Dhoni comes in. अब all-rounder slot में Karen Pollard यहाँ शायद bowling नहीं करेंगे. Sharjah है. We won't see him bowl. I will go in with Krunal Pandya.
Okay.
He's going to be a good bet, and I will fit in Sam Curran.
Okay. That makes 7.
Yes. For spin, I am going in with. Now I have to wait and watch if Imran Tahir is going to play today or not. I think chances बन सकते हैं आज खेलने के because Bravo is not there. But I will, and I think to be safe, I'll go in with Rahul Chahar.
Okay. Okay.
Rahul Chahar. Then I've got Jasprit Bumrah. He has to be in your team. I will go in with Deepak Chahar, hoping that he gets a bit of swing. And I'm going in with Pattinson.
Pattinson, do you think he will be playing today?
I think if he's fit, he should come back. It's a big game. So they said they were managing his workload. So if it's just about the workload. Now, I mean, the whole thing is Nathan Coulter-Nile does give you that extra option. So if यहाँ पे Karen and Hardik are not going to bowl, they might want to stick with Coulter-Nile to have that extra bowling option as well. But if Pattinson is fit, I will go with him. If maybe he's not fit, then I'll probably go in with Hazelwood.
And who is your
Hard
captain?
legs. I will take a punt with.
That's the tough one.
Yeah, that's a tough one because I'm very tempted because it's a big call not to take Pollard or Hardik in Sharjah. So actually, let me do one thing. मेरे 5 पे MS है ना, so 6 पे actually let me go in with Pollard, and I'll make him my captain.
Pollard is your captain. Okay.
Yeah, so he makes the big runs. Sorry, man. Laundry is in.
Vice captain.
I'm going only because of Sharjah. If he gets a big one, he gets in. And for vice captain, I will. यार एक बार मेरे से फिर से टीम बता because I think the one जो मैंने लिखी थी ना वो मैंने sheet ऊपर रख दी. I'm going in again. We've got Faf du Plessis and Rohit Sharma.
Yep.
We've got Surya Kumar Yadav at 3. We've got Ambati Raidu at 4. I'm making a change there. I'm getting MS. Ambati Raidu की जगह I'm going in with Ravindra Jadeja.
Okay.
So MS bats higher in the order on my team, but I need that one extra all-round option as well. So Pollard will be my captain and Jaddu will be my vice captain.
That is a very very interesting call क्योंकि आप लोगों को सबको मैं बता देता हूँ जडेजा काफी अच्छी बैटिंग भी कर रहा है तो अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस निकल के आ सकता है. पोलार्ड भी बैटिंग अच्छी कर रहे हैं. पंजाब के अगेंस्ट एक बहुत अच्छी इनिंग्स खेली. वापस उनसे एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं एक अच्छी इनिंग्स के लिए. और जैसे कि जतिन ने कहा कैप्टन रहेंगे पोलार्ड, वाइस कैप्टन रहेंगे जडेजा. और इन ऑल
because everyone will go in for Rohit or something, so what I need to do is if I have to cover up points, you have to put a punt की वो strike rate के भी points मिल जाए. Late batting है, so it's a punt, right? Depends on where you are on the leaderboard. तो जो गोल्डन टिकट वाले हैं जो लीडर बोर्ड पे हैं जो अच्छा कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक दे शुड प्रॉब्ली प्ले इट सेफ एंड दे शुड गो इन विद अ टॉप ऑर्डर प्लेयर एज देयर कैप्टन. एंड people who want to quickly accumulate points and make an impression, they have to take the strategic punt.
तो आपको रिस्क फैक्टर के साथ खेलना है तो आपको पोलार्ड और जडेजा लेना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको सेफ खेलना है then he has रोहित for you. Let's see what happens. जतिन, 2 क्वेश्चन मैंने बहुत सारे, जैसे ही सबको पता चला था कि आप लाइव आने वाले हैं, काफी सारे क्वेश्चन आए माई टीम 11 पे. एवरीबॉडी वांट्स टू आस्क यू समथिंग और द अदर. 2 क्वेश्चन शॉर्टलिस्ट करें. पहला क्वेश्चन इज कमिंग फ्रॉम शायम. तो ही इज आस्किंग, हाउ इंपॉर्टेंट इज इट टू रिमेन न्यूट्रल while covering matches and not being biased while talking?
Yeah, it's very important to remain neutral, and especially during the IPL. But also, what people need to realize is we want the game to have some fight. So you know what might happen is, अगर कोई team एकदम one-sided लग रहा है, so we might start building the other team. You know, is there a possibility? And we've seen in this IPL, right? Matches have turned. Look at the KKR matches, which turned towards the end against SRH and against Kings 11 Punjab. So the idea is, I mean, you know, the strong team is on their way to victory. But then what you try and do is you try and figure out कि क्या permutation combinations हो सकती है. जो team जो अभी अच्छा नहीं कर रही, how can they probably make a comeback? So sometimes people might think, अरे आप तो इस team को हराने में लगे हो. The idea is not कि कौन सी team, India रोज जीतता है IPL में, which is the great thing about this tournament. But you have to just try and build कहीं से interest आ जाए, and it's cricket. You know, people might say, अरे तो one-sided हो गया. But you never know, it's cricket, right? 2 wickets, game has changed. So sometimes we're too optimistic and we try and build the underdog. That's the idea. Build the underdog, and that ends up being the best story in cricket. So we're not biased. No one is biased. There are some teams that have very emotional fans, and sometimes we do maybe an extra. Whichever team said India wins every night.
नहीं जतिन, ये तो मैंने आपकी बात मान ली, पर अगर मानो आप दिल्ली और मुंबई अगर खेल रही है एक जगह से जहां से आप आते हो और एक जगह जहां आप रहते हो, तो थोड़ी बायसनेस तो आई जाती होगी. सपोर्ट किसको करते हो आप?
बिल्कुल यार, मुंबई के प्लेयर, दिल्ली का कैप्टन मुंबई का लड़का है. Right? So it's spread out. I actually do not have favorites. Any team which is the underdog, any team which hasn't done well, it's a lot of fun to build them up, right? I mean, some of the best sports stories come out from underdog blockbusters. So I usually don't find myself in any sort of an issue कि किसको करना है किस. I've never really had a bias.
All right. Second last question to you, Jatin. It is coming from Sumit Kumar Mishra. He wants to ask you, you have interviewed a lot of cricketers. Which has been the most memorable one so far?
Interviews. I think there's one event that I did for Star, our Reimagine Awards, which was with MS Dhoni. It's on Hotstar as well if someone wants to watch it. That was a good 45-minute sneak peek into MS's mind. So that, for me, was my personal favorite.
I think he talked about that why he doesn't want to be in that limelight.
Everything. There is everything in there. They should watch it.
Jatin, last question. You have been very kind. Top 4, कौन होने वाले?
I think top 3 are pretty much decided. MI, DC, RCB. Fourth जो है, it's very tricky because, I mean, it's for Kolkata to lose, I think, because they're still very well placed. They're a very good team on paper. They've got the start. If they can iron out some issues, I think they should make it. Unless Kings 11 Punjab pull off what RCB did in 2016. They're a phenomenal team, and it'll get very interesting. So, SRH भी कल जीत गया, but I still think in the longer run, in all the matches between KKR and Kings 11 Punjab, it could come down to that.
It will be very interesting to see because I personally believe some team will qualify at 14 points as well. Let's see what. Thank you so much, Jatin, for taking out time from your busy schedule. Oh, you are.
Thank you, people. I know I'm just packing my bag. My laptop's going in, iPad's going in. My car is waiting because we've got some pre-records because we're starting Rivalry Week today on Star Sports. So there's a lot of stuff, a lot of fun segments that we're recording with our experts. So you'll watch that in the evening, and we'll do a longer session closer to the top 4.
Absolutely. And Jatin, thank you so much. I hope you had a good time on this live.
Fantastic, buddy. Love your energy.
Thank you.
Matching me, if not even better. Excellent job. Love the outfit. Proper like a presenter. Wishing you all the very best. Keep doing the good work.
Thank you so much, mate. और जितने भी जने देख रहे हैं, आपको नेक्स्ट काम ये करना है, myteam11.com पे जाओ, जतिन सप्रू ने जो टीम बनाई है वो बनाओ, और फिर अगर आपकी टीम चलती है तो थैंक यू नोट भेजो जतिन को.
थैंक यू बोल देना, जल्दी बनाओ, इंडिया की अपनी ऐप.
Perfect. Thank you so
much. I'm gonna rush, Vinod. Bye.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Jatin. Bye-bye. Good talking to you, mate. Bye-bye. Thank you, everybody. फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस। आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है, myteam11.com पे जाना है, जो जतिन सप्रू ने टीम दी है वो बनानी है, डाउनलोड कर रही है एप्लीकेशन माई टीम 11 और जीतो यार, खुल के जीतो। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी हु वाज इन लाइव टुडे। विल बी डूइंग इट, काफी करेंगे ये लाइव्स, जैसे जैसे टूर्नामेंट और क्लोज जाता है, एंड की तरफ जाएगा, काफी मजा आएगा। थैंक यू सो मच जिनने भी हमें आज ज्वाइन किया, और हम करते रहेंगे ये लाइव्स। थैंक यू।